Yo, what's up guys? Back here with another video, and as you guys know it, we have just got a new project, and here it is. This is a 2017 Kawasaki kx85, and oh my goodness, we got a first deal. Look at this tire, pretty new. The bike was raced before many times. It has PR2 suspension technology, all stuff like that, all types of stuff inside of it. The engine, so yeah, that's not going down. So like, as you know it, Kawasaki's just sometimes just happens. Like people be revving these things to 1,000 miles per hour. I be like, wow, man, that thing be going. Anyways, so the crank went bad in this one, the owner says. And that's pretty much it. So this is how we got it, and yeah, it came with paperwork and everything. But it came with this, like, it came with tons, and I mean tons of parts. So we got the seat, we got the side plastic for this side, I believe, but not the number plate for the left side. And then yeah, we got the gas tank, we got the throttle for right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We also got some extra rear wheels, but they're trashed, so you can't even use those. It came with sprockets, a new shock, and has the radiators and stuff like that. So it's a complete bike. I have everything for the bike. It's just that we just gotta finish building. Well, we gotta rebuild this one, and then, hey, we got a nice 2017 Kawasaki kx85. It's gonna be mint. So yeah, so basically that was the that's it for this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe for more, because we're gonna drop one actually right after this video post. So stay tuned and like keep it. Make sure you guys click that post notification, because we're gonna get right back into it.